Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Aggregate demand question, quick fix. Watch this. If the economy starts at recessionary short-run equilibrium, which change naturally pushes output back to full employment? Point Z is a recessionary short-run equilibrium, so output sits below full employment output. That means unemployment is high, and without policy, we look for the economy's built-in adjustment mechanism. In the long run, weak labor demand and higher unemployment put downward pressure on nominal wages. Lower wages reduce firms' production costs, which shifts short-run aggregate supply to the right. As nominal wages decrease, short-run aggregate supply keeps moving right until output returns to full employment level. So the self-correcting change is option B. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, do not rush signs. Rule, trust the given recessionary setup and check the adjustment steps carefully.